My dear students, good evening all of you. Now we are going to learn different sentences of simple present tense with the be forms, have forms and action verbs. Now be forms. Already I told you. So am is or, was were, shall be, will be. Simple present, simple past, simple future. Now we are going to write sentences with all these be forms. For example, she is a teacher. So is simple present, was were simple past. This one simple future. Already I wrote here simple present, simple past, simple future. Now by seeing this one we have to understand simple present to be form. Now this is the positive simple present tense. Positive means it is giving. Positive means it is not a negative. Not is not there. Positive answer means we are saying accepting the statement what is said in the sentence. She is a teacher. This is a positive simple present tense. Negative simple present tense. She is not a teacher. So whenever we kept a not here, it is saying negative simple present tense. See here, positive simple present tense. This is negative simple present tense. Now we are going to form question with this sentence. Or question is nothing but interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means is we have to write in front of subject. Subject is nothing but person, place, thing. The sentence which we write with the person, place or thing. Thing means animal or flower. What it might be. Living thing or non-living thing. Now is we have to keep before it. Is she a teacher? Now this is interrogative. Simple present tense. Interrogative simple present tense. Is she a teacher? Question mark we have read. So subject before be form we have read. Whenever we start the sentence with the be form before the subject, that question mark we have. Is she a teacher? So negative sentence how to form? Negative interrogative sentence. This is the positive interrogative sentence. Now, isn't she a teacher? This is called negative simple present tense. Now, 4 sentences we got by simple present tense. Sentence 1 only, 4 ways we wrote here. In the same way, past tense also 4 ways we can write. How to write? Past tense means simple, in place of is, was you take? She was. She was a teacher. Here also is place. If you write was, this is simple past. Simple past. Here also simple past, simple past. See here. She was not a teacher. Wasn't. Was she a teacher? Positive interrogative simple present tense. Here also. Wasn't. Not wasn't she a teacher? This is a negative simple past tense. So past tense means we have to use. Suppose singular subject is a plural. They were teachers. They were not teachers. Were they teachers? Weren't they teachers? Like that, every tense, the sentence of every tense, we can write into 4 parts. Means positive simple present, negative simple present, positive interrogative simple present, negative interrogative, simple present. Past means past we have to write. Negative, interrogative, simple past tense. Here past be form. Suppose is there, all present be forms. So now with the have forms we are going to learn all the four sentences. Now my dear students, with the have forms we are going to write four sentences. Have forms. Now has, have, had, shall have, or will have, simple future, simple past, simple present. Now with these forms we are going to write four sentences. Now present tense we are going to take. They have two books. They have two books. That means what here? Possession, the ownership. They are the owners of the two books. Possession we are going to discuss. Possession means nothing but POSSESSI. Possession means having. They are the owners. Now, this is positive simple present tense. Positive, not is not there. Now, negative sentence. They have not two books. This is negative simple present tense. Now questions we are going to write. Do they have two books? This is the positive interrogative simple present. Okay, my dear students, now negative sentence see here. Don't have two books. They do not have two books. They don't have two books. Here what we have to understand is, when we are writing the sentences with the have forms, we have to divide them into has is equal to does plus have. Has is equal to does plus have. Have is equal to do plus have. This is the rule. We have to divide them into two parts. Has is equal to does plus have. Have is equal to do plus have. That means if you want to form the negative sentence with the have forms, we have to divide do not have. Have will become do not have. Suppose single subject is there. She has. Automatically this has will become she doesn't have. This is the negative sentence. This one we have to understand. That's why here they don't have two books. Do they have two books? Now have became do plus have. Do we have to write before the subject, and the remaining have we have to write after the subject. This is the rule we have to understand. Has a does plus have do plus have, we have to divide. For example, had is there, it will become did plus have. Had will become did plus have. Okay, later we can discuss this one. Now, they do not have two books. Negative simple present tense. Do they have two books? Positive interrogative sentence. Now, negative interrogative sentence. Don't they have two books? This is a negative interrogative simple present tense. So, my dear students, with the simple present tense, four sentences we can write. One positive sentence, one negative sentence, one interrogative, positive interrogative sentence. Next one, negative interrogative. Negative means not is there. So have forms also, we divide them. Simple present sentence we wrote in four ways. One sentence we can write in four ways. We have to understand. Now, action verbs we are going to learn. Now, my dear students, action verb, simple present tense. What are the four types of sentences? Now, see here, action verb. We take. Take verb. Take, takes, took. This is simple present tense. This is simple past tense. This is simple future. Will it take? Shall take. Simple future, simple past, simple present tense. Takes. Already I told you, subject is plural, take, subject is singular, takes. Now, they take fruits. This is the positive, simple present verb. This is the action verb. They are doing something. What is the work they are doing? They take fruits. That means they eat fruits. That is the sense. Now, negative sentence. They don't take fruits. This is negative simple present tense. Negative, don't take fruits. Negative simple present tense. Here also, takes is equal does plus take. You have to divide. Take is equal do plus take. In this way, every verb in the English language, first verb, plural verb, do plus take, singular verb, does plus take. That means, do take, does take. This plural verb only we have right after do, does. Suppose, took is there, did plus take. See here, take, take, take. That means what you have to understand, do, does, did, after V1 plural verb only we have to write. This is the formula we have to understand. See here, do take. This is a simple present tense means V1 plural verb. V1 plural verb. Take. Does also V1 plural. Did also V1. That means here we have to write take. This is V1 plural. Do take, does take, did take. This is the formula we have to understand. Suppose buy, bought, will buy. Do buy, does buy, did buy. So this formula if you know, easily we can write. Now, see here. Interrogative, simple present tense, we are going to write. Positive, interrogative, simple present tense. Interrogative sentence means take, immediately we have to divide into do plus take. So first we have to write do, next subject, next remaining part take. Do they take fruits? Immediately question we have to give. This is called positive, interrogative, simple present action verb. Positive, interrogative. Positive means there is no not in the sentence. Now, negative, interrogative, simple present tense. Don't they take fruits? This is a negative, interrogative, simple present tense. So all the verbs are in simple present tense only. This is a positive simple present tense. This is a negative simple present tense. This is a positive interrogative simple sentence. Positive simple present tense. Negative simple present tense. Simple present tense common only. SP common only. Positive interrogative simple present tense. Negative not is there. That's why negative interrogative simple present tense. Interrogative means subject before we have to write a helping verb. Helping verb is nothing but two verbs are there. First verb is called helping verb and the second verb is called main verb. Interrogative sentence if you want to write subject before helping verb, subject after main verb we have to write. Then if you know how to write a helping verb, where to write a helping verb, where we should write the main verb, if you know, then it will be very easy to form interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence also positive interrogative sentences are there, negative interrogative sentences are there. Simple present verbs, that's why positive interrogative simple present tenses. Don't or not is there, negative interrogative simple present tenses we can write. In that way every sentence we can change it into four types. Now present tenses of be forms, have forms, action verbs we learned. Now, simple past tense of be forms, have forms, action verbs we are going to learn. Later, simple future tense, be forms, have forms, action verbs we are going to learn. Right. Now, my dear students, we are going to get four types of sentences of past tense, means be forms, have forms, action verbs. Simple past tenses, how to write in four ways. Now, be forms. Past means was, were. Right. What? We were friends. Positive, simple past tense. We were not friends. This is a negative, simple past tense. Not. Interrogative sentence means immediately we have to take be form before the subject. Were we friends? This is interrogative, positive, simple past tense. Interrogative, positive. This is positive, this is negative. Now, fourth one. Weren't we friends? This is interrogative, negative, simple past tense. My dear students, so here past tense, not is not there, positive, simple past. Past to be forms. Past to be forms. Were means past to be forms. Here, positive, negative, these are interrogative sentences. These are this is positive, this is negative. These two are interrogative. That's why interrogative positive simple past tense. Interrogative negative simple past tense. Interrogative negative simple past tense. Or negative interrogative simple past tense. Anyway, we can say. Now we are going to learn past sentences of action verbs. For example, past tense means get, got, get, got. Here shall get, will get, future. Now we are going to discuss past tense only. For example, see here, we got friends. Now the action verb is there automatically, already told you, did place, get. Here also another verb is there, gets. Past tense only are dividing, did plus get we have right, plural verb we have to take. This is the rule, V1, V2. This is a simple future, keep it aside. So past verb, first of all we have to divide did to plus get, means did to plus V1 plural verb, already told you, do, does, did to V1 plural verb. So here, we did not, here what we have right, negative sentence, we did not get friends. This is the negative simple past tense. Here what we have right, interrogative sentence means did get, did we have right first, did we get friends? Interrogative positive simple past tense. Here didn't we get friends? Interrogative negative simple past tense. So interrogative sentence is nothing but helping verb. Sentence starts with the helping verb. This is main verb. This is main verb. Helping verb, main verb is nothing but when verb is divided into two parts. First one is called helping verb. Second one is called main verb. So two verbs are there. Helping verb we have tried before the subject. Subject is nothing but the person, place or thing we take in the sentence very beginning. So did we, didn't we, helping verbs. So interrogative sentence or negative sentences while you are writing, we have to change the verb into two parts. So my dear students, negative sentence, we have to change the verb into two parts. Did plus get, middle not you keep, did not get. Interrogative sentence while you are writing. Did we have right before the subject? Didn't we have right before the subject? Then it will become a question. Did we get friends? Didn't we get friends? Such a type of interrogative marker. So the style of sentence, how to pronounce is, we expect the answer from the person. In that way, we have to ask the question. Here, we got friends. Simply, full stop, we have it. We didn't get friends. Simply, full stop. But here, the pronunciation should be different. Did we get friends? The way of pronunciation, that means we express the sentence in the way by which we have to get answer from others. Didn't we get friends? Didn't we get friends? Question means it expects answer. The way of pronunciation should be in the form, by that we can get answer from others. In that way, here action verbs also we can write 4 ways. Same one verb only, 4 sentences we can write. My dear friends, I hope you understood all these things. Once again, go to the 2 videos, you can understand how to form simple present tense, simple past tense into 4 ways of 4 sentences. Thank you one and all for listening. Take care of you.